and welcome back to week 4 of Bake at Work. So tonight we're going to do some scones. So we'll start with the ingredients. So it's 800 grams of flour, it's 160 grams of sugar, it's 45 grams of baking powder, it's 10 grams of salt, and 160 grams of margarine or butter. So we'll add all the dry ingredients together. So we'll just mix this up till all the ingredients are evenly dispersed. Then we'll add, in this case it's margarine. You have to just rub it in by hand. So you just rubbing it through your fingers, nice and gently. Trying to get it through all the flour. You can see, should be no lumps of margarine or butter. Then we're going to add 1 pint of buttermilk. So we can mix this with a spoon to start with. It's the stage then you maybe have to use your hands because it's just a bit tough for the spoon. Okay, so you get to this stage, you get a firmish dough. It's still a bit sticky, but not so bad. So we're going to just flour the bench. We're just going to take approximately half of the mix. Bit of flour. We're going to try and fold it in with the flour. Plenty of flour again. Plenty of flour on top. With the rolling pin, just pin it out, nice and gentle, not too much pressure. I'm going to use, actually it's a plastic cup, but it's about 2.5 inches, about 6.5 centimeters. Just dip it in the flour. And cut out the scones. It's about 70 to 75 grams. Just fold it up again. With the rest, we're going to make cherry scones. So you could use sultanas or whatever fruits you like, but we're going to use cherry tonight. So it's about 200 grams of cherries for the half of the dough. So we have a cherry dough out on the table. Plenty of flour on the bottom and flour on the top. As evenly as you can. Just about 78 grams, 80 grams of these. If they're in around 70 to 80, they should all bake at the same time. What you don't want is thick scones and thin scones. Then you'll get different bakes in the same oven. The oven's 220 degrees. I'm going to bake them for approximately 15 minutes. But this is only a guide because all ovens will be different. 10 minutes in now, so I just turn them round normally in the oven about 10 minutes into the bake. You get an even more even bake for that. There we have it, folks, some cherry and plain scones. So good luck with your baking and keep sending plenty of photos.